On April 14th, 2012, one of our hives swarmed way up in the mulberry tree. Jeffrey climbed to the top of the ladder and clipped the branch. Down he comes with a swarm. They're very docile. So we take out several frames in an empty box. And then shake the bees right into it. He's putting a little bit of grass in the entrance. You can see all the bees flying around. And then very carefully putting the frames back in the box. And our branch is set in front of the entrance so the bees can orient when they exit and then enter the box. And that's it.